Hi all, I'm Susmith. She's come back to channel. So it's not a dry video today. This video is all about GoPro. Take it as an experiment. Experiment in the sense it's a known thing. Lots of people are surfing internet about GoPro's water resistance, even me. So I thought of checking it myself at home. So doing it. If it comes good, this video might be helpful for people who are looking for this type of content. So let's do it. For this, let's drop this GoPro in water. I took a ball of water and I'm placing it exactly in front of it to be clear for you. So yeah, and I'm turning this GoPro on. So yeah, it started recording already. It's on, you can see it. Let's drop. Hope my face should be clear from the water, then it's a success. I'll drop on 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's see it. So yeah, it's working still. Recording well on the water. It's working. It's done. GoPro, it works on the water. I'm picking it up. It's working. So you can press on GoPro Hero 8. It's completely waterproof. No worries.